Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can clean the filter, it's a hidden little filter, in the Karcher OC3. Once you see it, it's very easy to do. The instructions are a little bit confusing. You will need something like long nose pliers because it's a bit fiddly to get to with your fingers. So first thing we need to do is, the machine is off at the moment, we need to get access to the bottom. So just lift up the handle, bring the handle to the front here and take off the top. The filter is located just in here. So get your long nose pliers. First of all, we're going to be taking out this plastic little cover, which is this thing here. And then this is the filter in here, the little white thing. So if you take this out here, this is your filter. Now, this is near enough clean, but when I first of all did this, there was dog hairs in here, there was even little bits of stone. So bring this over to the sink and give it a nice good clean. You've got gauze all the way around the edge here. So if you get your tap and put the water this way and turn it upside down, hopefully whatever's in here it will go through the gauze and it will come out of these bits here. Just make sure you flood it with water, give it a nice good whack clean, get everything out of it. Once it's clean, because the water needs to be able to go through the gauze, otherwise the machine's not going to operate properly. So if when you're using it, it sounds like it's like pulsing all the time, like zzz, zzz, it could be because this is blocked. So give it a nice good clean, hopefully it will work again. Now, once it's clean, you're going to pop it in here. It doesn't matter rotation-wise which way it goes in. You just need to make sure it lands in that hole. So we're just dropping it in there like so. And then this part here will only go in with the cutout at the bottom because we have a little bit of plastic sticking out just here, this bit of plastic here. That has to go onto that bit here. So we're going to be just placing it on like so. And you can see now the black plastic is level with the grey. That's in place. If you miss that and you put it on like here, it's not going to go down properly. You can see it's all crooked. So just turn that round and place that down like so. And that is it. That is your filter cleaned. Now we just need to put the cover back on. So Karcher to the on and off button here and lift the handle up here, close down, and that's it. Your filter is now clean and hopefully it will work well again. Thanks for watching.